Hello and welcome back to InventoCAD. Today we will see how do we use the Extrude Cut command in SolidWorks. So here I am selecting a part and clicking on OK. The new canvas will open here. Now I am creating a sketch. So here I am selecting the top plane. Once the top plane is selected, we can create a sketch now. So I am giving it a dimension to define it with the help of a smart dimension. 120 unit. And the horizontal dimension is 150 unit. Here the rectangle is created. Now we will exit the sketch and here we will go to feature and extrude it. See, in this video I'm again showing you how to extrude. So here we can select blind up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface up to body or mid plane. So I'm selecting blind over here and then I'm increasing the height. If you will select mid plane over here, then the height and the depth both will increase in the both side of the top plane. So here I'm taking it 120 mm and clicking on OK. So this is how we have extruded the block and created a block. Now I will go to extrude. Now I will create a sketch here on this plane. So here I am creating a circle. Now we need to define this circle. So 80 mm is good enough. Now exit and go to features, extrude cut, and then we can see we can cut it from here. So here we have selected the mid plane, so it is going both sides. So here I am selecting through all. So once we will select through all, we do not need to select any dimension to cut. It will select the complete body throughout to cut it. So here I am selecting blind, and after selecting blind we can see here that we can increase or decrease the depth from this arrow buttons. Now here we have given 40 mm dimension. Now you can see that this will remove this part of the block. Now if we click here on the flip side to cut, then this will not remove the inside of the circle but outer part of the block up to this depth. So here we can give it a draft as well. A draft angle can be given this way. So flip side to cut is unticked, and then we can see here that the draft angle can be created like this. So if you turn off the draft angle, this will be like the same circular shape, and if the draft is on, then we can give it an angle. So now I'm turning off the draft for now. Here you can also give it direction to cut on both the sides. Okay, so here we can give it a direction to cut in the another direction. So I'm turning it off. We can also give thin feature, and selected contours are sketch 2. We are cutting from this sketch. So now here I am turning off the draft, turning off the thin feature, and turning off the direction 2, and I will select through all, and then I'm clicking on OK, and here we can see that the extrude cut is created. I would like to show you the flip side of extrude cut. Like if we click on it, then this will cut the outer part of the block. So this is how we use the extrude cut command in SolidWorks. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.